Ever stared at a screen, wrestling with pixelated video, struggling to connect with your team, and thought, there's got to be a better way than this? You're not alone. We've all been there, especially when 8 by 8 seems to be the only answer everyone throws at you. But what if it's not? What if there's a whole world of alternatives out there, waiting to revolutionize your communication and collaboration? Think about it. We live in a world where seamless, high-quality video is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Whether you're running a global business, teaching a virtual class, or just trying to stay connected with loved ones, you need tools that keep up with the pace of modern life. Tools that don't leave you squinting at a grid of tiny faces, or battling lag and dropped calls. Now, 8 by 8, it's a name that pops up a lot. It's got its place, sure. But let's be honest, it's not always the perfect fit. Sometimes it's like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. You need something more flexible, more powerful, maybe even something a little more user-friendly. And that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. We're going to explore the vast landscape of 8 by 8 alternatives and find the perfect solution for your unique needs. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of specific platforms, let's talk about what makes a great video conferencing and communication tool. What are the key features you should be looking for? First off, we're talking about video quality. Crystal clear, high-definition video that makes you feel like you're in the same room, even when you're miles apart. Lag-free performance is non-negotiable. Nobody wants to deal with choppy video and audio that cuts out mid-sentence. Then there's scalability. Can the platform handle your growing needs? Whether you're hosting a small team meeting or a large-scale webinar, you need a solution that can scale with you. Integration is another big one. Does it play nice with your existing tools and workflows? Seamless integration with your calendar, email, and other productivity apps can save you a ton of time and frustration. And let's not forget about security. In today's digital age, privacy is paramount. You need a platform that prioritizes security and protects your sensitive data. Features like end-to-end encryption and robust access controls are essential. Finally, we need to consider usability. Is it easy to use? Is the interface intuitive? You don't want to spend hours trying to figure out how to set up a meeting or share your screen. So, with all that in mind, let's explore some of the top 8 by 8 alternatives. First up, we have Zoom. Now, Zoom, it's a household name for a reason. It's incredibly versatile, offering everything from basic video conferencing to large-scale webinars and virtual events. Its user-friendly interface and robust feature set make it a popular choice for businesses of all sizes. Zoom's strengths lie in its ease of use, high-quality video and audio, and extensive integration options. It's also known for its reliability and scalability, making it a great choice for growing teams. However, it's worth noting that Zoom has faced some security concerns in the past, although they've made significant improvements in recent years. Next, we have Microsoft Teams. If you're already invested in the Microsoft ecosystem, Teams is a natural choice. It's more than just a video conferencing tool. It's a complete collaboration platform, offering chat, file sharing, and integration with other Microsoft apps. Teams is particularly well-suited for businesses that rely heavily on Microsoft products, like Office 365. Its integration with SharePoint and OneDrive makes it easy to share files and collaborate on documents in real time. But Teams can be a bit overwhelming for first-time users with its extensive feature set, and its performance can sometimes be affected by network congestion. That being said, if you're looking for a comprehensive collaboration platform, Teams is definitely worth considering. Then there's Google Meet. Integrated seamlessly with Google Workspace, Meet offers a simple and straightforward video conferencing experience. It's known for its ease of use, high-quality video and audio, and tight integration with Google Calendar and Gmail. Meet is a great option for individuals and small teams who are already using Google Workspace. It's also very easy to use from mobile devices. One of Meet's standout features is its live captioning, which can be a valuable tool for accessibility. However, it's worth noting that Meet's feature set is not as extensive as some other platforms. But if you're looking for a simple and reliable video conferencing solution, Meet is a solid choice. Now, let's talk about something a little different. Whereby. Whereby is known for its simplicity and ease of use. It's a browser-based platform, meaning you don't need to download any software. Just create a room, share the link, and you're good to go. Whereby is a great option for small teams and individuals who want a hassle-free video conferencing experience. Its clean and intuitive interface makes it easy to get started, even if you're not tech-savvy. Wherby's focus on simplicity means it may not have all the advanced features of some other platforms. But if you value ease of use and a clean, clutter-free interface, Whereby is definitely worth checking out. It's also a great option for those who prioritize privacy, as it doesn't require any downloads or installations. And finally, let's mention Jitsi Meet. Jitsi Meet is an open-source video conferencing platform that offers a high degree of flexibility and customization. It's completely free to use, and you can even host your own Jitsi Meet server if you want complete control over your data. Jitsi Meet is a great option for developers and tech-savvy users who want to customize their video conferencing experience. Its open-source nature means it's constantly evolving, with new features and improvements being added regularly. However, Jitsi Meet's open-source nature also means it may not be as polished or user-friendly as some commercial platforms. But if you're looking for a free and customizable video conferencing solution, Jitsi Meet is worth exploring. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that's a lot of options. How do I choose the right one for me? Well, the answer depends on your specific needs and priorities. Ask yourself these questions. What are your key requirements? Do you need high-quality video and audio? Do you need advanced features like screen sharing and recording? How many participants will you typically have in your meetings? What's your budget? And what's your level of technical expertise? Once you have a clear understanding of your needs, you can start to narrow down your options. Don't be afraid to try out a few different platforms and see which one works best for you. Most platforms offer free trials or free versions, so you can test them out before committing to a paid plan. Consider your existing workflow. If you're already invested in a specific ecosystem, like Microsoft or Google, it makes sense to choose a platform that integrates seamlessly with your existing tools. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.